Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the euro currency as usual. So you can see recent action was relatively positive because market actually has proceeded within this USD session to the upside, and by later market has completed the grabber. So because take a look at this spike up is greater than this one, this top, and it means that the grabber has reached its minimal target. So it's taken out of this previous top. So grabber has been completed. But here, what is more important to my mind is that this action initially could be treated as some kind of the wash and rinse, because take a look at the market has taken out of this top and then collapsed down. It's formed kind of the shooting star pattern, so right at the top. But one thing that makes me think that it's not done yet with the upward action is the price behavior after this action. So usually when the market forms a kind of the wash and rinse of the sharp reversal, it usually shows the deeper action and straightforward continuation to the downside. But here we did not see it. So take a look, the market has shown the reversal, but since then it stands tight in a consolidation near the tops. So it doesn't show any significant pullback. It makes me think that market will try to challenge this top again and again, and probably we will see kind of the attempt to go higher. Still, this reversal brings some more risky setup on the intraday charts, because it open road for some different patterns that could be formed with the deeper action down, and we should take it in consideration. So for example, on the follow time frame chart, let's take a look. That's our picture on yesterday's session. So here we have kind of the same ABCD pattern. That's our target around 1790, 118. COP is our butterfly. But here, guys, we have the bearish divergence today, and deeper retracement here will not harm this setup. For example, as you can see, this butterfly could be not from that point, for example, but it could be from that point. If market will form a kind of the ABCD action down, something that sort of retracement will be deeper, but it will not break the overall setup. But and then it will still will be ABCD pattern, still will be the butterfly, but it will be important for intraday traders who trade and make the scalp trades on intraday charts, because they could get this downward action. So dealing with the divergence on the MACD, and take a look here, we also have the reversal session, because market has created the U top and closed below the lows, not just the previous candle, but 5-6 candles that have been formed before that. So this is the sign that could point on deeper retracement. So kind of the ABCD action could be formed or something of that sort. So that we need to be very careful if you have the plan to take the long position today. So on the hourly chart, what else we have? So actually, guys, here you could recognize it's forming this Garden steeple to sell pattern, right? So here is forming. We have multiple divergence as well. So between these tops we have the divergence, and even between these tops we have the divergence. When divergence usually forms, what does it mean? It means that the market stands at the new tops less amount of time compared to the previous tops. Because take a look here, we have the consolidation. It's a lot of candles have been formed right near the top, but here we have the spike up, and 1, 2, 3, 4 maybe candles to the upside. It means that despite that the price action shows the higher top, market spends less time at this top, and that impacts on the moving average on the indicator. So it has less value because it mostly takes into consideration previous lower values of the price, while here it has a lot of values right at the top. That leads to divergence. It means that the market stands a very short term at the top. So that's why the divergence appears. So and here, take a look. The market stands actually at the very important moment here. So that was our yesterday entry. If you remember, ABCD COP retracement here. We're taking the long upper direction. Grabber has been completed. Market shows the sharp reversal, fast drop, and erase this ABC bottom because these new lows have been created. Right now, market stands in the confidence support in 1650, 1657, 1663. This is a confluence, and take a look. This long-term support market actually stands in the channel. And with this upward action yesterday, it was not able to reach the opposite border of the channel. So it's kind of the early reversal that in classical technical analysis could suggest possible drop. What I would like to say is that, well, guys, if you would like to take the long position here, you need to get either the clear bullish pattern on your back or try and take the position from the strong support. So, for example, right from this area, now it's a bit late to talk about it, but when you see the confidence, when the first touch, you can try and take the long because market could show at least minor bounce here, let you to move steps to the break-even. So in current circumstances, well, I'd not exclude the chance that market indeed will restart upward direction right from here and will show the upward continuation. This is possible, but I would prefer to wait and see. So if market will take out of this top, well, maybe it will reestablish the bullish setup, or whether it will form kind of the, I don't know, some kind of the ABCD pattern, maybe down, so we could get some ABCD retracement to 1625 or something that sort, a bit deeper action. So because signs that I see right now here is the early reversal here, appearing garter triple to self, sharp drop yesterday, multiple divergence here and on the forward time frame chart as well, a reversal session on the forward time frame chart. So all this stuff doesn't encourage me to jump in right here, right from this point. So I would prefer to see some clear bullish signs if market will start to show the rally up again or something of that sort. Or if drop will happen, I prefer to get some clear bullish pattern as a background for a trade. So currently, although market keeps impact well from the yesterday action, from this reversal, because as I said on the daily it's very good, that shows the consolidation at the minimal retracement, so it doesn't show the deep retracement here. But it's not enough for me to take the long position currently right from here.